Here are some of the easy way you can use to spot a potential pullback stock using a XIFU features, okay, in our website or apps. Now, personally, I'm using this method also to look for some of the trade idea that I personally use trading. So today I'm going to share with you in few simple steps. But of course, just a quick disclaimer: this video I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade based on the stocks that we discussed in this video over here, make sure you get your own trading plan or probably get advice from the professional. Now, first of all, easy one, you just go to our XIFU website or download the apps, create an account, log in, then basically you can able to access this list over here. Now, this is our trading signal or stock idea list. So technically what I do is that it's detect the potential bullish stocks, okay, during the day itself. So what I do is that normally I don't really look into what happening today because sometimes they already break up further. So what I'm interested is what actually happened on the subsequent day or probably next few days. Okay, so for example, if I look into this stock, of course, this stock, this is the list that happening right now on 25th of September, which is the day I'm doing this recording over here. If let's say the stock already break up, okay, or maybe they drop badly, like for example 7%, normally I'm not really interested to look into it. Now, why I'm interested is that I like to look for past few days ago, like for example in this case, because 25th is Monday, so I go to last Friday or last Thursday, which is 22nd or probably 21st, okay, of September. Okay, so the next thing is that of course I do want to look into those that already break up already, because this is telling you that this counter already move up higher. I think MY. By the time this video over here, they already break up further. Okay, which is around 6 to 7% right now. Patama, I think this is MKLN as well, where they move up further as well. So I'm not interested anymore. So I'm interested the counters that actually showing bullish but haven't really made the movement yet. So in this case over here, there are a few counters actually are able to spot early. Like for example, I think I spot PESTECH and of course NYLEX. Okay, so I think it actually appeared over here. Like for example, NYLEX. Okay, we got PESTECH. Okay, so if you notice, currently compared to the bullish signal that appeared last Friday, it actually dropped around 1 to 2%. So NYLEX as well, it actually dropped around 3 to 4%. Now, this is something that I'm looking into. As long as it didn't drop more than 5%, I think it's still worth to monitor. Or maybe it didn't break, okay, more than 10%, I think it's still, probably can check it out. But normally I like to see a little bit drop after the bullish signal, because this is representing there still is a bullish or pullback, okay, in this chart over here. Now let's go back to our chart. Now first of all, let's look into NYLEX right now. So this is what I'm looking into. Okay, of course, a nice bullish candle coming in. Okay, and if you notice, they actually started to make some pullback. Okay, yes, it dropped a little bit, but it didn't drop a lot. So chances for them to goes up is still very very high. Again, this offer a good low risk entry for me. Okay, of course, I say there's still risk involved, but my risk is definitely getting lower if I am looking for entered today compared to last Friday ago. Okay, so of course, volume is also very important. Now, for those that want to learn more about pullback, make sure you continue to stay with us in our Telegram or maybe join us on our Facebook. Okay, so moving forward, I'll explain in more detail what it means by a pullback. Okay, so definitely this is like a nice pullback setup for me. We got two sound strength, okay, crossing 2040. So hopefully it will continue to challenge, around the this gap at the resistance area there. Okay, now the next one, okay, like I say, is PESTECH. Okay, PESTECH actually able to break back to the previous trading range. Okay, so over here as well, if you notice, we got some strength candles coming in, and seems like 2 days is making some pullbacks already. Volume remains to be low. Of course, by the time doing this video away, it's only like 2 p.m. We still got another half days to go until the closing. But looks like again they are making a nice pullback before they want to change again on the resistance level. Okay, again, just a quick video on how usually I look for my pullback setups. Okay, you go through the list, go back to 1 or 2 days ago, right? Probably, if can, normally I focus on positive 2%, until negative 5%. Okay, probably this is the range that you want to focus. Let's say drop too much already, more than 10%. Okay, probably just going to avoid, because it shows that weaknesses appeared. Okay, probably going to study. Or let's say the stock already break up more than 8%, 10%. You know that there's a continuation, like MCOM MY. Probably I can share with you. This is again appeared in our list as well. Okay, so for example here, the breakup ready. So no pullback setups. Okay, so if let's say no pullback setups, then I'll look for others for my low risk entry. Okay, hopefully this video helps. And if you like this video here, make sure you help us to like, share, and comment. Okay, any others way that you think is good. Okay, to look for these pullback setups.